Well, that was probably one of the most peaceful sleeps I've had in a while. I mean, I did wake up a couple of times because of the wind. It's extremely, extremely cold. So I apologize for the wind noises, but my point is that it was a wonderful sleep because of the bird noises combined with no other noise. Like, river noises are great as well, but at the same time, like, this was just peaceful and quiet. So it was really nice.
You know what's really nice? Waking up and not feeling rushed to get out of a camp spot. There's also nobody around. We've been here for over 12 hours and not seen a single other soul. Creepy much? Or peace and serenity?
Well, we are driving next to some very, very steep cliffs. It's a very sheer drop. And when you go sideways, you feel a little sketchy.
That is for sure. A little bit of loose gravel, big ruts in the road.
Yeah.
It's a very slow drive.
It is a slow drive. So, I don't know if the perspective works, but I'm here, and this is the cliff, and that is maybe a very, very, very far drop. So this is the camera straight, so you can see how far of a drop that is.
Yeah, you're good.
Well, what do we have here? What a view. Well, this is an epic view. Maybe one of the best views. At least viewpoints. Like, look, we're standing right on the edge of the lake. This is very nice. This is very cool.
We have been to a lot of incredible places. I mean, a lot of incredible places. I think this has to be in my top 5 or top 3 even. This is the most epic, incredible view. Period. Like, on that side, we have these massive views, cliffs. We have the entire lake view in front of us. I'm just blown away, honestly. I'm blown away. Honestly, it makes me feel so tiny. It makes me feel so insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Like, just look at how big the sky is and how big this landscape is. And it makes me think, like, you know, this is just the vastness of this specific location. And I can't even, my brain can't comprehend the vastness of the province, British Columbia, let alone all of Canada. It's so big and so wild even, you know? All you hear at this moment is birds chirping and the wind noise. It's just so peaceful and incredible. It's incredible. I don't have too many words to describe this, other than incredible.